Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Andre and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you know the drill, consider subscribing. In this video, we're gonna show you 3 ways in which we use one word to mean all of us. So stick around and I'll explain after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and we try to preserve the Jamaican culture. As promised, in this video we're going to be using more Patwah and less English, so if at any times it gets a little bit too difficult for you, you can always go back until it becomes more clear. I want to show some support from my friends at Urban Rastaman by this t-shirt that I'm wearing. Make sure you go and check them out online as well as their catalog and their merchandise. I also want to highlight Ron the Great. The brother is an international artist doing his thing. Make sure you check him out, like and follow his page on Instagram and check out his music catalog. We really have to show our support to the people that's out there moving the culture forward. I'm really excited about the video that we have today because we have some of my Jamaican friends to help. Alright, so there's one word in Jamaican Patois that means we, our, and us. And that is the word we. So I'm going to show you the 3 ways in which we use we, but if you watch the video all the way to the end, I'll show you an exception, another way in which we use we that is totally unrelated. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the first way we use we is when it lands before a verb, and then it means we. So for example, we have, we try, we know would be we have, we try, we know.
We know.
We know.
We know.
Alright, so just like the other words that we covered in the prior lessons, when it comes to state of being, for example, me, you, and uno, you would simply pair we with the state that you're currently in. So there'd be no need to use the word are. So it would simply be we hungry, we tired, we sleepy, which would be we are hungry, we are tired, we are sleepy.
We're tired.
We tired.
We tired.
We're hungry.
We hungry.
We hungry.
Alright, now the second way we use we is when it follows for, to, or a verb. Then it means us. So for example, fiwi, tuwi, telwi would be for us, to us, tell us.
Fiwi.
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 Tell we.
Tell we.
Tell we.
The third way we use we is when it comes to our possessions. So you would simply pair we with our possessions, and at that point it means our. So for example, with family, with house would be our family, our house.
With family.
With family.
With family.
With friend.
With friends.
With friends.
Also bear in mind that the way we say ours is by pairing fi with we. So if someone asked you who something belonged to and it was ours, you would simply reply fiwi.
Fiwi.
Alright, so thanks for watching all the way through, and as promised, the last way in which we use we, it's a shortened version of the word will. So whenever you hear a noun or a pronoun followed by the word we, it means will. So for example, me will call you would be I will call you.
Me will call you.
Me we call you.
We will call you.
You will know soon would be you will know soon.
You will know soon.
You will know soon.
You will know soon.
Alright, so before we end the video, we're going to do a quick recap with the help of my friends. So my friends will go first, and then we'll put the text at the end to see how many you were able to follow.
Bring some food for we.
Bring some food for we.
Bring some food for we.
We want to play some music for you.
We want to play some music for you.
We want to play some music for you.
Before we wrap up, just a few more to drive the point home. We need more money for we trip. You have fi tell we. We're tired and need somewhere for sleep. This room is for we. Okay, so here are the answers on screen. Just check to see how many you were able to follow. If it was unclear, just go back and rewatch the video until it becomes clear. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video and I had a great time making it. If the content is too slow, check out our classic lessons or in the description where we have resources to help you move a little bit faster. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn that notification bell on so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. I also like to hear from you guys in the comments, so let me know what you thought about the video in there. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you, and once again, until next time, see you in the next video and take it easy.